Well, it's an exciting day. It's actually the first autocross of the season, so it's time to get the BMW ready to go, and I'll grab the few items I need off of the shelves and head on out to see how autocross is going to go today. I don't pack too much. Got a few things in the trunk that I might need, I guess, but it would be interesting to know how other people kind of pack their autocross or track day supplies. I was thinking about getting like a milk crate and have that I can pull in and out of the trunk pretty easily. I do have some cardboard boxes sitting around, but nothing of really the right size. So let me know how other people are packing their supplies for the day. Good first run, trying to sight everything in. Definitely a lot more speed to be picked up. Track wasn't too slippery, so I think we'll be able to push a little bit harder on the following runs. Getting faster. Haven't really thought about where to pick up time yet, but it's looking good. We'll try to add some more speed slowly and slowly. Definitely, I think that first shift is pretty early, and I might be able to hang on to that a little bit earlier or a little bit later. Maybe carry some more speed around that turn and just try to keep it a little bit wide open longer. Ooh. Run 3 was a little quicker. Early on, I guess, as we're doing the infield loop before rerunning, or before going back around the track, I definitely pushed a little too hard into one of the turns and then really slowed me down trying to navigate through that turn and get out of it. So I probably lost a second or two bogging down there, but carried some more speed definitely on the banking. So keep doing that, try to fix that turn. Recap from run 4, pretty smooth. We're gonna have, I think, 7 runs, so 3 more to go. Fastest run by a couple seconds, and I've figured out the turns on the infield, so it's pretty good. I think all around the track I just need to work on carrying a bit more speed throughout and probably deeper into some of the end of the straights, and, you know, brake a little bit later, and I think I'll be able to maybe break the 50-second mark. Second slower on that one, bumped the limiter before that first turn, so I don't know how much that slowed me up. I definitely think I can push harder into the first turn off kind of the front straight of the actual racetrack. And coming back on the banking always kind of throws me. I don't know if my tires are warming up or if the track's getting slipperier in the more sunlight, but it's definitely starting to get a little squirrelier out there. get below 50, but that run was a lot of fun. Car felt good going around some of those turns and carried a little bit more speed. The backhand side with that high-speed slalom, I never really worked on too much. Just did what I could without trying to loop it. Got a little wild right at the end, so maybe lost a couple tenths, but I was still, that was in the 51, so I was a good bit away from 50s, sub 50s. So yeah, not bad. Fun day. 7 runs. Puts the car through the ringer to start the season off. Well, that was a full day of autocross, although we started kind of late. It was a short time-wise, but we were able to fit 7 runs in, and I think the course design was fun. It was actually one of the more high-speed course layouts that I've done, so actually being able to stretch out the E30 a little bit was nice. But we're back in the garage. It's going to be time to unpack and then put it away and maybe sign up for another autocross in a couple weeks.